Go to gemini.google/subscriptions to see the current plans. And just a heads up, pricing and availability do vary by country. So what you see on your screen may look a little different from what I'm showing here. The free plan gives you everyday access to Gemini. It's a good starting point and requires nothing more than a Google account. Google AI Plus gives you more access to the most capable models and features, including enhanced image and video generation. And you would get access to Gemini in Gmail as well as Google Meet. Google AI Pro steps that up further with higher usage limits, Gemini inside your Gmail, Google Meet, Docs, as well as slides, and 2 TB of cloud storage. And finally, Google AI Ultra is the top tier. It gives you highest usage limits, plus exclusive early access to new features from Google. My recommendation here would be to go ahead with Google AI Pro as long as it offers a free trial, which means you can follow along with everything I demonstrate here in the course at no cost for the first month. And after that free trial month, you can decide if you want to continue with your membership or you would downgrade to the Google Plus or return to the free membership. To get started, select your membership plan, click on Get Started. Next, you need to provide a payment method for the trial, but you won't be charged if you cancel or downgrade before the month is up. Once you're logged in, this is what you see. In the top right corner, you see your membership plan. Pro, in case if you decide to subscribe for AI Pro membership, or Plus, if you decide to go ahead with that plan. In the center of the screen is your main chat input. Below the input bar, you will notice a row of quick start buttons. These are just shortcuts to get you started quickly. You will also see a mode selector. It currently shows fast. This is the model selector we just talked about. Click it to switch between fast, thinking, or pro, depending on what you need. On the left side, clicking the menu icon opens your sidebar, where you'll find your chat history. You can also start a new chat from here. Let's try to do this. I keep it on fast mode for this chat, since I'm going to ask a straightforward question. I'm starting a course on Gemini. Based on today's date, what are the 3 most recent major updates Google has released for the Gemini ecosystem? I request Gemini to search the web to verify and summarize them for me. Let's hit submit. Notice that Gemini does not just answer from memory. It goes out and searches the web in real time and then brings me the results relevant for today when I record this tutorial. Here are the 3 most recent changes that Gemini has introduced in the past month. And of course, we are going to talk about them here in the course. In the next section, we take everything we've just set up here and put it to work, starting with how to write a great prompt. I'll see you there.